Hi there, I'm Ernesto.
And I'm Ernesto.
Welcome to E Squared Experiments, brought to you by the Boys and Girls Club of Siouxland. Each Thursday we'll bring you a fun new experiment. Some you can try at home, others are just cool to watch.
Remember, always talk to your parents and involve them before you do any type of experiment. Remember, safety first. Today is all about the base. Add acid. Today we are doing one of 3 experiments. The Baggy Bob experiment. This is an outdoor experiment, so the ingredients that you will need is baking soda, white vinegar, lukewarm water, paper towels, and a Ziploc bag that zips up, that has no holes and can't leak. For this experiment, you will need 3/4 cup of white vinegar, 1/2 cup of lukewarm water, and 2 tablespoons of baking soda. You will also need a 5x5 piece of paper towel, or get it as accurate as you can. Okay. So, once you have the vinegar in your bag, you dump in the water and just make sure that it is mixed around a little bit. You can zip it up to mix it a lot more better if you want. So make sure you use a great experiment that you can do with your friends. So now what you're gonna do is drop it inside, shake, and toss it. Wow, that was crazy. Wow, that was crazy, guys. Now make sure to clean up any mess that you make, and now we are gonna pass it on to Ernesto for the next experiment.
Hi guys, welcome to the second experiment. You know the Coca Mentos experiment? Yeah, we're not doing that. Today we're going to do Coca Mentos without the Coca Mentos. The supplies you're going to need is white vinegar, warm water, baking soda, a clean and empty 2-liter bottle. Now, you do not need to have a funnel, but this makes it way easier. And for optional, a little bit more fun, you can add dish soap. So for this experiment, you're gonna add 4 cups of vinegar into your clean, empty 2-liter bottle. Next, you're gonna add your 1 cup of water. Add that as well. Next, if you have it, 2 drops dish soap. Next part of the experiment is you need your baking soda slurry. Now in this cup, I added 8 tablespoons of baking soda and just enough water that it was almost a liquid. You never want to put too much water, and if you do, just add a bit more baking soda just to the right consistency. Alright, see everyone? You just gotta get to this type of consistency where it's not a bit runny, where it almost looks like glue. This experiment gets very messy, so you have to be outside. Let's see what happens. Where does this have to be out? Outside. That was much more powerful than I thought.
Just remember to clean up your mess after you're done. Ernesto, what just happened?
Well, let me explain, Ernesto. When you mix an acid, in this case vinegar, with a base, in this case baking soda, you get a chemical reaction that produces carbon dioxide bubbles.
So you're saying the stuff that we just used creates my baked goods rise and my soda fizz?
That's exactly what's happening.
Wow, let's do another one.
Let's do it.
With this next one, you're on your own. Your experiment.
Think about it. What if you added more vinegar? Less vinegar? More baking soda? Less baking soda. Maybe add a drop or 2 of soap. What if you put it in a bigger bottle or in a smaller bottle? Or maybe you just use vinegar and no water.
For the things you will need is vinegar,
Baking soda,
a bottle, empty water bottle,
and a balloon. Did you decide on the measurements you're using? How much vinegar? What size bottle you're using?
or the amount of baking soda that you are going to use.
Now, first we're going to start by putting the vinegar inside our choice of bottle. Let me clean that up for you. Make sure we don't get a pre-chemical reaction. There you go.
To add your baking soda to your balloon. Now, wow guys, wasn't that cool? Now on for our next experiment. Are you allowed to have carbonated drinks at your home? If not, this is the option for you.
Now we're gonna have to start off with our ingredients. Our base, baking soda, and our surprise acid, an orange. Now, for this part, you want your parents to cut this orange into sections for you.
All right, club kids, take your orange slice.
And then, you're gonna sprinkle on a little bit of baking soda. Not a lot.
Ask me how I know. And once you have that, take a bite. I wonder what's gonna happen. Mmm.
Wow.
Just like orange soda.
Hold on. Tastes great.
Mm-hmm. It really does.
Guys, never forget to clean up after yourself whenever you do any experiments. Well, wasn't that fun,
It
Ernesto?
really was Ernesto.
Make sure you tune in to the Boys and Girls Club of Siouxland for more E2 experiments. Bye.
Bye.